Evolution doesn't have to be slow. Evolve existing capital, equipment, processes and resources to rapidly transform your production facilities into smart plants with smart manufacturing solutions from Siemens. Update legacy equipment with sensors and edge devices to gain actionable insights into production and accelerate the modernization of your plant. Take advantage of advanced technologies to monitor and predict operational performance in real time, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency. By connecting data to the shop floor, you will establish a complete loop of manufacturing information to improve quality and flexibility, and create manufacturing lines that essentially manage themselves. Quickly modernize your plant to maximize profitability and sustainability, and drive continuous improvement with smart manufacturing solutions from Siemens. Siemens.